This is Burj Khalifa in Dubai, the tallest vertical structure built to date. This is one of many beautiful and unique landmarks that attracts tourists in Dubai. Besides this being an iconic and state of the art building, there are certain tasks that still require manual and human interaction, and one of them is the job of window cleaning. Some of you may have already seen this beautiful piece of architecture in person, but may not have noticed the activity that is going pretty much year around. A team of 30 to 36 workers take on this daunting task every day, and it takes about 3 months to clean the entire building. This process is repeated 3 times every year. Perhaps with all the technological advancements, there are still certain jobs that are meant to be performed by humans. So, next time when you are visiting this place, take a good look.